Hi there, welcome to this short video about Luvanto Endure Pro. If you're watching this, you're either awake at 2 AM in the morning clicking on random YouTube videos and have no interest in this floor or any floor for that matter. In which case, we welcome you, weary YouTube traveler, to this video, but would suggest you get some sleep if this video is the depth to which you've reached in your YouTube addiction. Or you're on our website right now checking us out. How you doing? And you want me to convince you that this is the right floor for you, right? Well, get ready to be convinced, my friend, in 3, 2, 1, off we go. Luvanto Endure Pro is QA's newest offering into the LVT marketplace, and it's a bit more heavy duty. Strike that, a lot more heavy duty than previous Luvanto collections. Think Razor Ruddock instead of little Michael Owen. Its USP is an acoustic backing that achieves an impressive 19 decibel impact sound reduction. What does that mean in real life? Well, if the kids are running around upstairs, you won't hear them. But if a plane lands on your house, you will probably still notice. Well, there'll be the engine noise and the crashing sound of impact and people screaming. Anyway, so this sound reducing acoustic backing is a bit like having an inbuilt underlay into the LVT. Now that's a super cool feature and worth the extra bucks. After all, you're likely to buy underlay as well anyway if you're looking for some sort of sound protection in this product. Aside from the acoustic backing, you'll probably be quite surprised to learn that Endure Pro has a lifetime residential guarantee, or 20 years if you're installing it into a commercial project. That's due to Endure Pro's 0.7mm wear layer that will keep the project looking fine and dandy for a long time to come. To give you some idea of comparison, the standard Luvanto stick down has a 0.5mm wear layer, and the LG LVT, a product in a similar price point, has a 0.55mm wear layer in its strongest LVT. It's leading the pack at this level of LVT. Other things you should know, it's 100% waterproof, so perfect for kitchens. It has a 36+ rating on the wet pendulum test. If you don't know what that is, then watch my other video on the Luvanto design collection where I talk about this in detail, link below. But basically, the floor has a texture to it that stops you slipping on it, even if the floor has got wet. That's the same standard as sheet vinyl safety flooring. So if you need something that will last for ages, is anti-slip and has excellent sound protection, whether you're shopping for the home or a commercial premises, perhaps Luvanto Endure Pro is for you. If you're not sure, just order a sample online and get it next day. It's free and it's free delivery. If you have any other questions, just type them in the live chat box on our site and our team will answer in a matter of seconds. I mean, they're like blisteringly fast. I'll see you next time.